Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Badoo account. So all you gotta do is open your Badoo app and go to your profile, which is on the down right corner, and then your profile pops up, and now you gotta click on settings on the top left corner, and your setting pops up, and now you gotta click on account, and on the bottom of that you can see delete account. And when you click on delete account, something like this shows up, and all you gotta do now is to click on delete your account. And keep in mind that you cannot press on anything else than delete your account, and you have to continue. And as you clicked on continue, Badoo app is gonna ask you not to delete your account, and maybe you can change your mind. But on the bottom of that you can see there is another option where it says no delete my account, and you gotta click on no delete my account. And now you gotta click anything from here and just click on delete account. There you go, your Badoo account is deleted, and now you can uninstall the app or sign in into another account. Thank you.